Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tupman. Chris is still currently not with me, but he's in North Carolina. And then today we're gonna meet some special people, little special things. Look, as I told you in one of my videos, puppy content coming soon. This is why. This one right here with the blue collar is Brad. He's mine. He's a cute puppy, aren't you? Oh, yep. And then this one right here in the yellow color is Brad. This one is Glaceon right here. This one's Glaceon. I thought I said Glaceon right here in the blue color, and Umbreon here in yellow. They're both mine. And then the other puppies, some do have owners. This is the brown one is Boot and stuff, and the purple one, the purple colored one is of course Josie, wherever she is. I don't know where she. This is California. Green color is California. The pink one right here is Sky. She's my mom's. California currently does not have an owner right here, so she's a freebie. She's gonna go bye-bye soon enough when she's old enough. Then we got Purple, wherever she is. Where is Purple? Purple is currently missing somewhere in the... Oh, there's Purple. Purple is all the way over here. That's Josie. Then Sky, Glaceon, California, and then Umbreon. And then this one in the red color is Boot. Yep. This is my sister's puppy, Boot. They are so cute and adorable. Aren't you guys cute and adorable? But in reality, yes, this is why puppy content will be coming a lot more. Like for him, there'll be a lot of content with you. Mwah. But yeah. So their mom is currently on the bed. Oh, look at you. Look at your cute little fish. They are cute. So these are puppies, and this is why puppy content is coming out sooner than expected. We do have dogs. They're like a year old, so they're still kind of puppies, I guess. But I have a couple more dogs named Sylvia. We got Sylvia, and she's still kind of a puppy. She's a small dog. And then we have Chase, who is bigger than the rest. So we have two other dogs that will be coming into the content. Not as like dog walks, and these ones we're gonna do package opening for the puppies, and we're gonna do Vlogmas because I'm gonna make it a goal to do a Vlogmas thing with the puppies, where the puppies get treats or something for their first Christmas and stuff. But these are the little ones. Aren't they just cute and adorable? They're like 3 weeks old. A little over 3 weeks old. So, Mama's still milking, feeding them. One of the puppies right now, currently at Boot, is a Peggy, still eating like crazy. But these are the pups. I thought I'd introduce you to all of them. Yes. Oh, and the white one. The white one right here with the white color, this is Lucy. My sister named pretty much almost all of them. I named two because I changed their names because, honestly, I'm a Pokemon fanatic. So, this is Umbreon. Umbreon, no babies. Hi. Hi. Oh, thank you so much, baby boy. You're such a cute This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Where are you going? Where are you going? But these are the puppies, so yeah, I'm gonna spend time with them on camera because I think you guys would. Oh, there's Boot. Boot. He's not eating anymore, so Mama left. She stopped. She was like, nope. Nope, here comes California. There's Boot, California, and Umbreon. Umbreon's climbing on me. Umbreon. What's up, baby? This is the cutest thing ever to come to YouTube. So, let me think. Let me know what you think of this content. Because, gosh, these are cute. Don't suck that. That ain't your mama's milk. Poo. That ain't mommy's milk. Brian, that ain't mommy's milk. That's your brother.
How much pop do you have left in your refrigerator?
Like a quarter of a 2 liter. Not much. What you doing, California? Oh, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. You're so cute, puppies. Yeah, you're so cute. But you're so cute. You look like a husky. You look more like a husky than anything. You're a husky, if anything. Anybody says he doesn't look like a husky, like literally, just not his butt, but look at them eyes. Look at them eyes. That's a husky. That's a husky face. Oh, thank you. Thank you, California, for all the kisses. But he looks like a husky. We all think they're a little huskies. A little bit more on the husky side for him. Dog. But I'm getting tons of love from these babies. Oh, there goes the dad. There goes the daddy. Hi, Boo. I love you, Boo. You're so adorable. Go. But yeah, these are your puppies. You're so cute and adorable. But yeah, subscribe for more content. Get the notification bell and keep posted.
If you're not